Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is August the 13th of 2025. We have made it to day number 115 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are taking one offer from ClickBank and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, we're putting those two together and we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so. So just wanted to come in here with you guys every single day and give you guys nothing but value, showing you how to do stuff, and then showing you the results from what we're doing. Okay. So just a little bit about this video series. I would recommend going back and watching these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about it. Hit the like button. Let me know that this stuff is working for you if it's sinking in. And other than that, guys, let's just get right to it. We're on day number 115. Now, if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secrets is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, depending on how many accounts that you have, will determine if you have 100 or 200 leads. Okay, and just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years now. I can tell you that this traffic does work. It does convert. Okay, I've earned income with the My Lead Gen Secret system. I receive paychecks, and then I've also promoted different offers and received paychecks from certain networks like ClickBank, Max Bounty, and also Warrior Plus. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, come here and just show you the method that I'm shooting for this challenge. We're strictly just going to be using ClickBank, and we're just going to be using My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, now your back office, when you come in, when you get started, it's going to look exactly like this. Okay, your back office is going to be just like mine. Okay, whenever you come in, all right. The only thing different, obviously, is going to be your affiliate link and then the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Obviously, okay. That part may look a little different than mine. All right. So where we're going to be hanging out at, guys, is going to be the mailing system. I'm just going to just show you around a little bit. This is going to be the subject line right here. This is where we put our subject line in, our title of the email. Okay. And then also down here is the body of text. This is where we're going to put our email in, right? And then we're going to come down here, click on perfect timing. And then there's going to be a button down here that says either preview or send now. Okay. Now you can come in every single day and send out one email per day. Okay. I've already sent out my emails for today. I got 8 different accounts. I send out every email in each and every account. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Because all you're doing is copying and pasting. That's really pretty much it. Now, once you copy and paste in enough emails, what's going to happen is they're going to be loaded in this portal right here. So you're going to have tons of emails that you can go to and that you can pick. So say for instance, you wanted to put in maybe 100 emails. I don't know how many this thing holds, but maybe 75 or something like that. You can put in all of these emails, and then once you get down to the bottom, you can start all the way back up to the top. Or once you get to the top, you can start all the way back at the bottom. And then you can start sending those emails over and over and over again. And what you would do, like say for instance, we wanted to go right here and we wanted to click on load. What that does is loads the email up for us. Okay. That way, this email is already ready to go. And then all we got to do is click on perfect time and then click on send, right? It's super easy to do. Okay. And then also we have a clickable link that we can make a clickable link. All right. Now, the emails that you're going to want to use first when you're first starting out is going to be let's go over to the offer that we're using, the social sales rep. This is the offer that we're using that's on ClickBank. Okay. This is the one that we're using for the 365-day challenge. All right. Now, you don't actually have to use this one. You can use other offers if you want. They're pretty much similar in fashion, right? Because of they're both business opportunity offers. Okay. So, there's about 3 offers I would recommend on there in the business opportunity section of ClickBank. And one of them is going to be social sales rep. You got write up reviews, and then you also got social paying media jobs. All right. So all 3 of those are going to have these email swipes, right? And these free email swipes, don't pay attention to this other stuff. This is more like paid traffic if you're running paid advertising. Okay, if you wanted to do that, I've done that before with this, and I can tell you that it does work. Okay, But there's another way to make money online with this offer as well, and that's going to be with the My Allegiance Secrets. All right. So these email swipes are going to be the emails that you can copy and paste over to a email service. Okay. That's why they give you these emails so you can use into like a email campaign if you're running like an email campaign, and they got 20 different emails. So all you would pretty much do, all we do is go through each and every email and we send it out. So if you come down and look at the email, you have a subject line which matches our subject line right here. Okay. So we got a subject line right here. And then also we got the body of text. So what you would do is pretty much just grab the subject line, Control C, come back over here and Control V. And then that way this subject line goes out just like so. Okay. And you come here to the body and then you just grab that and you erase that there. And then you come back to the offer and you just grab the body of text, right? It's just super easy. And then the affiliate link that you're going to use. And the cool thing about these emails, guys, all 20 of them, let's see, let me see, hold on 1 second, guys. Let's see. All right. All right. Sorry about that, guys. So most of these emails, if you can see, a lot of these emails have call to action links. I mean, bold text. So it shows you where the link is supposed to go. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So this email right here basically has a call to action bold text right here. So it says complete your application here. So this is where you pretty much this is where you were click on the clickable link. Okay, so let's go back over here to the mailing system. Okay, let's see here. All right, let's go back over to the mailing system and can click on Control V. Right, and then you come down here and you take out where it says signature, and you want to, let's see here. You want to come here where it says first name, and you want to take this code and you want to put that in right here. Okay. Super easy, guys. And this is how you send out an email. And then you make this a clickable link by clicking on this link tab. And then you come here and then you, let's see, grab this link right here. Okay. And you Control C and you come back over here and you Control V, right? Okay. Sorry, guys. I just had to take that text message. Okay. And then you come here where it says your ClickBank ID, and you want to put in your ID. Okay. Put in your ID. Okay. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. Okay. And then click on OK. All right. And then what that does, it turns that into a clickable link. Okay. So you can come here, Control A, and then you want to come here and boom. So right there, guys, we have a email that's ready to go out. It looks good. And then all we do is come down here to where it says preview the email, and then click on the clickable link that's in the email. Once that works, then you want to come down here and click on send now. Okay. And then click on send. And that's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. All right. It's very easy to do, guys. So if you're looking to earn extra income, this is going to be by far the easiest thing to do online to earn income, guys. And you want to click right here too, select all your emails to make sure that those emails are getting loaded up. And then you're going to send out your emails. Okay. So it's just super easy to do, guys. It's not hard at all. I would recommend you guys getting started today. All you would need is a network, okay, that has offers, that has business opportunity offers, and then you want to create emails. Now, you can either use the emails that are, um, in the with the offer, okay, like on ClickBank, they already come preloaded for you, or you can go to ChatGPT and then create the emails, from there, okay. But you will need some kind of network, that has some kind of offer to where you can become an affiliate and you can make money from that offer. Okay. And the easiest one that you're going to want to go to is ClickBank, okay, because it's free to get started and you can get signed up less than 5 minutes and you can start promoting those offers immediately. Okay. So if you guys want to go ahead and get started with My Lead Gen Secrets, get started today. Go ahead and click on this tiny URL / email GS. Come down here and then click on join. Super easy, guys. All right. So let's go ahead and go back here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go over to ClickBank because it just showed you how to send out an email. Okay. Today is August the 13th. As you can see, we have this is the algorithm. This is the algorithm that I've been seeing either every 2 days or every other day. We've been earning a commission, and we're getting closer and closer to bridging this thing together where we can see consistent sales coming in every single day. Okay. That's the whole goal first before we start to scale up and start to see bigger sales like 40, $60, $80. So the whole idea, let me tell you about this offer real quick and why we're promoting it. We're promoting this offer because this offer has a $20 rebill every single month. Okay. Someone signs up for a free trial. Okay, we get paid 3 days later. Okay. And then that person gets billed every single month on that same day. Okay. So say for instance, we get a sale today. We'll get a commission on the 16th of August. And then from the 16th of August, we'll get paid September 16th, October 16th, November 16th, December. It'll just keep going on and on. And the whole main idea here, guys, is to get multiple people signing up where we're constantly getting rebills each and every month. Okay. And if you guys been watching these video series, we've been getting rebills from people that joined us 3 months ago. Okay. So, which is pretty awesome. And that's why I'm promoting this offer. We're only in month number 4, guys. We're just still kind of fresh in this thing. We're kind of getting halfway through this here in the next couple of months. Okay. And things will change. Okay. So as long as you're coming in, sending out emails every single day, you're going to start seeing consistency. We have been getting paid every single week. Okay. From ClickBank. In this account, I have multiple ClickBank accounts, but I just specifically made this one just for you guys, just to show you that this does work. Okay. And I think the week before that, I think we almost got like $1,000 check. Okay. So it's just how consistent that you are sending out these emails every single day. Oh, excuse me. So this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab and see how we did today. All right. So today is August the 13th. We're promoting a offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay. Now these other offers that you see, I do, other forms of marketing like YouTube stuff that I get free traffic from and that I earn. I do faceless videos on YouTube and it generates free traffic. Okay. So I got a sale from one of those videos. Okay. So, which is the Social Sales Rep right here. But we're with the one that we're using just for this offer, just for this challenge is one offer. We're not using any of these other ones. So you don't have to pay attention to the other free traffic that I do. Okay. And we'll get into other stuff later after this challenge, right? And I'll go ahead and just share other ways that I earn income. Okay. So, but right now we're just going to stick to the strip. We're just going to stick to one thing right now. This is Social Sales Rep. Today we only got 657 hops. Okay. That's not a lot. Okay. And then we only got 641 unique hops. Okay. Those are brand new IP addresses that came to our page. And then we only got one order from impression. Okay. And then we didn't get any sales. The only sale came from some free traffic from YouTube. Okay. So we didn't get the sale that we wanted and we didn't get any rebills today. Okay. So this is what kind of day that we had today. Okay. It seems like it kind of slowed down a little bit as far as the sales and the rebills coming in. Okay. And I'm going to monitor that and kind of see where, how the algorithm is looking. But it seems like lately the algorithm, we haven't been going over 2 days. Okay. From not seeing the sale. So that's still okay. Okay. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys what this looks like. Okay. I just wanted to show you the results on what we got. Okay. We did not get any initial sales. We didn't get any rebills today. Okay. So this is kind of what it's been looking like. All right. We have been getting rebills and sales, but hasn't been consistent the way I was thinking right now. But during this, challenge, and during when you get started, you're not going to see sales every single day. Okay. I just want to be upfront with you guys. This is going to be something that you're going to gradually work yourself into. Okay. Sometimes it can take you 2 months, 1 month, 2 months, maybe even 4 or 5 months, maybe even 6 months for this thing to actually start taking off. Okay. But if you knew that you can start earning income, making an extra, 500 to $1,000 a month, would you do this every single day? Okay. To build up to where you can start making maybe $2,000, $3,000 a month consistently, okay, over time, if you stuck with it, right? It's just a no-brainer, guys. It's just definitely something that you can do. You can come in and you can start earning that extra income, whether to put gas in the car or to put some food on the table, maybe pay an electric bill, a gas bill, or maybe help with a car payment, or more, maybe even your mortgage, right? So if you're looking for something that you can make this extra income with, this is going to be by far the easiest thing to do. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do per day. Okay, so it just is, it doesn't cost you a lot of money to do it, and then what you're getting in return is going to be more than what you're putting into it. All right, so I'm going to end this video on that note. I sent out my emails today, so we're going to come back here tomorrow. We're going to do the same thing, kind of show you guys how to do stuff, and then we're going to check the results from the emails that we sent out today. Okay. And I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.